Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, one rental at a time, family. I am excited to be first to break to you, hopefully, that FHA has reduced their monthly mortgage insurance. It's official. I heard wind of it yesterday. Today, it actually got released to everybody. I've been talking about it for 6 to 12 months. And if you go back to some of me and Mike's conversations, I talked about the billions and billions that FHA had in their coffer from collecting this 0.85 mortgage insurance, along with the upfront MIP that they collect for years and years and years and years with next to no default, right? So it's only a matter of time if they're going to stand behind and they're going to talk about making home ownership more affordable. What better place to start than with an FHA loan, where low to moderate income first-time home buyers utilize that loan more than any other loan. So just to give you guys an example, because I think examples are helpful, so you know I do that. I've got a little screenshot here, $400,000 purchase on the left-hand side of the screen right here. It's the old mortgage insurance premium, which was a 0.85 factor monthly, $278. It makes principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and mortgage insurance, all of it, $3,099 a month. You'll see that monthly payment right there. If you go the new way, this is effective March 20th, 2023. So we've still got about 4 more weeks until it is official. Any FHA case numbers drawn on or after. So you can't have an FHA loan already, can't be already started, and they haven't announced it officially, but I can tell you that when FHA makes a change like this for a future date, it's going to be only on FHA case numbers drawn on or after March 20th. I'm almost sure of it. And I ran it by some executive leadership that agrees with me on that. So $3,000 when you plug this in, and you save $99 a month on mortgage insurance. So it's something. Is it going to drastically change things? No, but it's going to help. There's people in some parts of the country that might say, well, I'm only buying something for $200,000. How much is it going to help me? Well, I'll plug in the numbers for you here. At $200,000, your payment went from $1,549 to $1,500. So you're saving $50 a month. Increase your purchase power just a little bit, kind of offset some of this nastiness we've seen in rates, which here's an interesting thing to look at. Let's say that you could have got a 5.5% FHA loan whenevers, but it was 0.85 mortgage insurance. And now we're up to maybe a 6.25 on an FHA loan. Depends on your credit score, depends on a bunch of things. This isn't an offer to lend, but I'm just doing this exercise for fun. New lower mortgage insurance, you're still paying more. So you know what? Yeah, I guess if we do some math, 3/8 of a rate increase in rate is what this kind of makes up for. Because as you'll see, 5.5% with the old mortgage insurance, and then 5.875% with the new mortgage insurance, $1,500, $1,503, same payment for all intents and purposes. I had a 5.875 in here for an interest rate. Probably cost a little bit for an FHA loan, but there's some people in some parts of the countries that are buying something for $700,000 utilizing an FHA loan. That's a pretty chunky mortgage insurance payment, where those folks are going to save, it looks like $172 a month. So it's a good thing for FHA. There's also a reduction in the upfront funding fee on VA loans. Somewhere here, is that it? No. There's the VA funding fee. On or after April 7th, 2023, first use is going to be 2.15, subsequent use 3.3. It's lower if you put 5% or 10% down. Hopefully you guys can read that. I don't think this is going to have as big of an effect on the VA side, but for sure on FHA loans. I think it's something that is going to help those borrowers who need the $50, $75, $100 relief more than anybody. Is it going to take home ownership from unaffordable for a lot of people to all of a sudden affordable? No, but it's going to help relieve a little bit. So hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, you know where to reach me. greatmortgagebroker.com is how you connect with me and my team. Feel free to leave comments below. I do my best to jump in and answer those. Go check out Matt, the Mortgage Guy, on YouTube. I've got 700 plus videos, and some of them are pretty good. Thanks for watching.